The passengers are certainly excited to see something new and fun looking at the airport.
You guys only have to take out your travel size liquids today. That's the only thing you got to take out of your bags. Your electronics, you leave those in your bag, like your laptop, belts. I would just remove it.
CT technology, that stands for computed tomography. It's the same technology that we're using today in our checked baggage environment. It's been reduced in size to be able to fit in the footprint that we need here at the checkpoint.
The only difference here is that it gives us a 3D image as opposed to the 2D image that we're originally working with. We have the same security functions, the same officers working the machines, we just get that 3D picture. We can zoom in on the item, we can look all around it, change its orientation, we can change a lot of things about the item in question as well as all the other items in the bags.
The field testing stage of this new technology, passengers can actually leave their electronics in the bag, still have to pull out those liquid items that we want you to pull out before going through screening. Eventually, where TSA wants to get with this technology is we want to decrease the number of items that any passenger has to pull out of a bag. That's a long-term goal.
Just one more thing. This has to go in a bit as well today.
Any ways that we can improve the travel experience for our passengers, we're absolutely interested in. And so obviously with security being our number one priority, a machine like this is certainly of interest to us here at the airport.